Big picture, mid to longer term resistance in the low to upper 350s. We've tested it quite a bit over the last several months. The most recent 2 tests also coincided with this 6-week channel top that is in the low 350s. Were we to close at the end of the week above 359.67, we would enter a long-term buy signal that it would ultimately anticipate 521.96. I would say this would be a 5 to 8 month objective. On the way up, we would have other levels. We're not there. Where we are is after having tested this channel top at 352.77, we still anticipate 312.03 as a target. On the way down, 320.37, if tested today, can contain session weakness. Well, we're right there right now, 329.94. There could be decent play here on an intraday basis if we open below 329.94, 320.37 in reach today. It is 312.03 that we've been mentioning you can hold out for as a 2 to 3 week target below 352.77. 312.03 formation able to contain selling through next week and even into later September. We can round up from here within 2 to 3 weeks of testing 312.03 back into the 350s. That is the dynamic at play, selling the 350s, buying the 310s, back and forth until one gives way. Unless we close below 312.03, and that is possible, and if so, then we enter a sell signal through the rest of September. Over the following 2 to 3 weeks, I would expect 280.62. Upside today, if we push or open above 329.94, 340.50 in reach, that can contain intraday buying pressure. If we open above 329.94, we might trade inside of 329.94 to 340.50 for the entire day. But if we close today above 340.50, I think we've got a good low for the week, and over the next day or two, the market sort of claws its way back into the 350s once again. Nvidia, the 180.57 2.5-year channel top is still a significant resistance. 180.57, we closed back below it. Last week was kind of a reversal week, as you can see. We need, bottom line, for a buy signal to unfold with confidence. A settlement not only above 182.70, that would put us above everything, back above 180.57, and also of equal significance, back above the 176.96, the 5-month channel bottom that we closed below last Friday. And so we need to close above all. These are the 3 levels. The triple Q, by the way, a 2.5-year channel structure has been holding very well for the last month and a half. And so we need to see the triple Q close above its respective 2.5-year channel top. So if it closes below these structures, that actually has a significant sell signal that is kind of the 3 to 5 week September collapse that we've seen oftentimes. So this would be important to follow as well as a confirmation, really, that Nvidia is indeed likely to continue south. I think it's likely to continue south anyway, following last Friday's settlement below 176.96. I think that is the final shoe to drop on all this. The day itself, 168.79 can be bought as a day trade, 173.81 in reach today. If we push through 173.81 way all the way back to the 176.96. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.